One, don't touch the pads. For your two, boom, look, you're square. For your three, look, you're side on. I'm always going square or side on, yeah?
First things first, I stand toe to heels, my knees bent, I'm sitting in my stance. Elbows tucked into my ribs, hands up, I'm in a tight guard. Now when I throw my one, my weight is on my back foot. But when I throw my two, I've turned over my hips. I've transferred the weight by turning my hips, and now the weight is on my front hips, or front side. I'm going to pull backwards, whipping my hook. So it's all about the rotating of the hips. You got to rotate your hips. No surprise, to throw a left hook to the body, you have to turn your hips again. Look, so you can imagine you're slipping the right hand. My right hand's gone over my shoulder, and I've turned my hips. To launch an effective hook to the body, again you need to turn your hips. You're pulling from your wrist side and launching up. As you turn, you're slightly standing up, which is going to set up the roll. You're turning, you're rotating your hips in the reverse direction in a circular motion. The weight should end up on your rear foot, which is when you can launch your cross. So let's go through that again. You're standing side on and you throw a jab. Now the weight is on your rear foot, your rear leg, your rear hips. You're going to rotate your hips, throwing across, transferring the weight onto your front hips. And now you're going to be standing square. Again, you're going to pull back from the reverse side of your body, the rear end of your body, rotating your hips, throwing your hook, and transferring the weight onto your rear leg. From here, you're going to turn your hips towards your left, rotating and squatting down at the same time, as if you're slipping a punch. That's going to put you in a perfect position to rotate towards your opponent now and throw a hook to the body. Boom. As you throw the hook to the body, you're going to slightly stand up as you do it. When you hit the opponent, that's when you're going to pause in the motion and you're going to roll in the reverse direction under their cross. From there, you're going to stand up and the weight will be on your rear hip, your rear foot, and you'll be able to launch your cross. You will know if you're throwing the combination correctly because you should fluently transfer from one position to another, just like a pendulum. Slowly transferring your weight from one leg to another as you throw punch to punch or go from punch to defensive move. You should fluently flow.
Good. 1, 2, 3, breathe. 3. So this is 2. Hold it on. 3. Now you're gonna slip this. And you're gonna rotate. You got perfect. Good. So slip it, and now you're gonna launch up. Good. And then you're gonna come under. 2. Good. So we're always moving from left leg to right leg. We're always putting the weight on the left or right. I'm always going square or side on. Yeah. So you're side on. Throw your 2. Look, you're square. Throw your 3. Look, you're side on. And now you're gonna go square again when you slip it. Good, you can pass square. Good. Now you're gonna throw your 3 to body. Good. So now you're halfway between. But you're gonna roll under. You're gonna dip down and you're gonna turn those hips, yeah? So you're gonna come outside and under. Outside and under. Square again. Perfect, good. So forwards, backwards. You do it together in a fluent manner. So it hasn't got to be fast but fluent. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3 on. See now you came up, yeah? So look, 2, 3, 2, 3. Do it fluently. 2, 3, and then yeah, it's good. So it's gonna be low, back, yeah, you come up halfway, and you're dipping under. So like a circle, you're gonna come up halfway, you're gonna come under, yeah, because as I'm coming, you're gonna come under, yeah. 2, 3, turn down, 3, and now look, when you throw 3, you can't be like this. Yeah, you gotta come up halfway, and then come look. So look, watch this. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Stand behind me, so you can see it. Look. Throw 1. 1. Yeah, hold it. Throw 2. Yeah. Throw 3. Yeah. Yeah, wait, ready now. Watch what I'm doing. I'm turning my hips, and I'm down here. Look, my back leg turn. My hands up now. Let me throw 3. Look, you see it? Look at me. So look, come down. Look at my hips. See that? See now. Come down. Yeah. Turn your hips. Don't come up on your toes. Just turn your hips. Turn your hips. So look. Look at my hips. I'm here, look at my back. Look at me, man. And I'm turning. Look at my right leg. So look. Slip. And now when you come out, that right leg will come a bit more straight. But you're leaning forwards though, so you're that. Bam, you still the weight should still be here. So look, come down. Ha. And then from there, you can come back down on two. Perfect, good. So it'll be like slip to two. Stand outside me. Slip to two. Yeah, but you'll come up. Diagonally. Slip to two. Diagonally. Under. Two. Good. But move a scoop. That was good. Move a scoop. Ha. No, you didn't turn. You got turn. Turn, turn. Look. Turn. Turn. Under. No. Turn. Turn. Now don't move. When you roll it, you're gonna come under. It's a circle. Turn. 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 Good. Everything's a turn. Forward. Backwards. Hands up. One. Don't touch the pads. Forward. Back. Backwards. Double. Back. Back. Come on now. One. Fluent. Back. 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 It can be slow but fluent. Back. 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 Almost got. Almost. Time.